In this video, I will show you how to fix the Messages app if it's crashing, not opening or not sending and receiving text after Android 17 update. First, launch Open Settings on your device. Now tap on Connections. Here, tap on SIM Manager. Now you want to turn off SIM card, then wait for a few seconds and then turn it back on. If your phone has multiple SIM cards, repeat this for each one. After that, restart your phone. Even if you have already restarted it after installing Android 17, try restarting it again as many temporary update bugs are resolved after an additional reboot. If the issue continues, clear the Messages app cache. For that, launch Open Settings. Now scroll and tap on Apps. From this list of applications, you want to look for Messages. Select it. Now tap on Storage. Now tap on Clear Cache. If clearing the cache doesn't help, you can also tap on Clear Data. This resets the app, but if your messages are backed up in Google account, they can be restored. So before doing this, make sure that you have made a backup. After that, open the Play Store app. Then you want to search for Messages over here. If you're using Google Messages and you find the update option, tap on it and update the app to the latest version. If you're still unable to send or receive text messages, then you can contact your mobile carrier to confirm that your SIM or eSIM is active and there is no network issue affecting your account. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.